First step, put in the bangus. And then it says fish 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll set it to 15 minutes. Let's do 200. I'm not gonna follow instructions. You know what? I changed my mind. I'll follow instructions and then set it to 15 minutes. So it's almost done. This is maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and I don't see the heat button lit anymore. So I'm gonna check. It doesn't look like it's fried yet, although it says here that it's just grilling the fish, but the color is still not okay to me. I was supposed to flip it, but I decided not to. So I'm gonna add more minutes, maybe another 10 minutes for just this side, and put it up to 200 degrees. Let's check the color. Pwede na. I think I have to add more minutes, maybe 5 minutes. So same, I'll keep the 200 and then add 5 minutes. Okay. Sige, let's do 10 and then adjust it to 5. So it's now done. Let me see. So this first fish here is okay. I think I'm ready to flip it, but the other one there is not. So I think the problem here, that's why it took me more than 20 minutes, is because I started with 180. So when frying fish, it should be 200. So let's see, and I'll set it to 20 minutes. Another 20 minutes and keep this to 200 degrees. So halfway through, I'm now at 9 minutes. Let me see. I have flipped the other fish already. Now I was waiting for the color to be brownish, the skin to be brownish, but I realized that it's not going to be like that. It's not going to be darker because I'm not using oil. So I think the color is going to remain like that. I touched it with a tongue and it's crispy. So I don't know if I should still wait for another 10 minutes. I think it's gonna be overcooked by then. So I should be good. I'll probably come back after 3 minutes and I'm done. Fresh from the air fryer. This is how it looks like. Perfectly fried, right? And then let's see the other side. So this is what I was waiting for the color to be darker than this, but it's not going to be like that, I think. But see, it's crispy. So I'm afraid I won't have to finish that 10 minutes because it looks like it shrunk already. So I hope this is not overcooked. So we'll judge it later. So I can serve lunch now. And on the side, we have vegetables. Happy eating!